Pushparaj, Projects Coordinator at Molten. Today, I want to talk about water balancing. Water balancing ensures that HVAC systems operate efficiently and deliver the right amount of water to every part of the system. Without proper water balancing, systems risk uneven cooling, inefficient energy use, and systems breakdowns. At Molten, we always follow standards and codes like ASTRAI 90.1 and SIPSI guidelines to ensure that every system we commission meets highest efficiency, environmental friendly, and cost effective. Remember, water balancing is not just about performance, it's about sustainability and longevity of HVAC systems. At Molten, we take pride in following these essential practices, ensuring HVAC systems run smoothly and sustainably. Molten, excellence in every care.